Odoo Timesheet module. Key points covered in this video: log time, billing with timesheets, log work, timesheet validation, invoicing via timesheets, reporting and analytics. Steps to use the timesheet module. First, log time, My Timesheets. Click on the New button, go to Timesheet. Select the date, project, and task. Enter the number of hours worked. Save it. 2. Billing with timesheets. Create a service product. Go to Inventory. Create new product. Enter product name, development service, product type, service, invoicing, policy based on timesheets, project. Select the existing project if applicable, office design. Sales price. Set the hourly rate, $50 per hour. Save the product. Create a quotation for the service project. Go to Sales, then click New. Enter the customer name. Click Add a line. Select the service product created above. Click Save and then confirm the quotation. Once confirmed, this will automatically create a task under the selected project. The third, log work. Option A, Start/Stop timer from project task. Go to Project, select the project and task. Click Start when the service work begins. Click Stop when it ends. Option B, Manual entry. Log hours manually in the Timesheets module already discussed, or the Timesheets tab on the task in the Project module. 4. Timesheet validation. Go to Timesheets, then to Validate. Managers review the entries and click Validate. Once validated, timesheets are locked and cannot be modified. 5. Invoicing via timesheets. Go to Sales greater than open the sales order for the service product. Review the delivered hours. Click Create Invoice to bill the customer based on the time logged. In the top section of the sales order, smart buttons display the linked project, task, and recorded time. Click Create Invoice and confirm. 6. Reporting. Go to Reporting greater than Timesheet/Attendance Report. You can filter reports by project, employee, customer, date range.